Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today on the bench I have a watch that I've had for quite a while now. It's a zero size 17 jewel Illinois movement from 1910 that's been fitted into a wristwatch case. And it's pretty unassuming. You wouldn't think much of it just from the exterior, but what makes this special is that it's a grade 39. This specific configuration, the 17 jewel Model 2, had a total estimated production of 770. And while that may seem like a fairly decent amount, this watch here seems to be the only complete working example that's ever been documented. I've been looking for grade 39 parts for about 3 years now, and I've only ever seen a barrel bridge come up for sale in that time. So I'm excited to be able to document this watch for the horological community, as well as show you all a watch that you might not see another of. Let's go ahead and get started on the service. The crystal and case are in good condition. The stem sleeve felt like it was broken, so I'll be replacing that. And here's the movement. You may already see that the second wheel's bridge jewel is cracked. I have a barrel bridge from the much more common grade 37 here, which is similar to the grade 39. The biggest differences between the two are the adjustments on the grade 39, which are missing from the barrel bridge here, as well as the inlay coloring, which is black on the grade 37 and gilt on the grade 39. The ratchet and crown wheels are fully polished on the grade 39 as well, compared to the frosted look on the grade 37. I'm hoping that the jewel from the grade 37 will fit, or at least be close enough that I can burnish the pivot to fit it. Other than that, everything looks fine on this watch. I'll be extra mindful of the fourth wheel's extended pivot here. The dial washer is pretty worn out, but the hour wheel looks like it's in good shape. The cannon pinion is still nice and tight. I'll remove the intermediate wheel's retaining plate next. Along with the intermediate and minute wheels. Now I'll remove the keyless works. And that's the dial side complete, so I'll flip over and start on the gear train. The balance looks okay. I'll remove the balance first. This screw's slot is pretty far off center, so I'm going to see if I have a replacement for it. The balance looks good. The hairspring and both of the pivots look fine. Next up is the ratchet wheel. Beautifully polished to a mirror finish. I'll check the arbor hole for wear now. It looks perfectly fine. Next is the crown wheel. All of the teeth are in great condition. I'll remove the pallet fork now. It's a little grimy, but okay otherwise. Now I'll unscrew the barrel bridge. The barrel has some tasteful damascening on it. Now I'll unscrew the final bridge and inspect the gears and jewels. The mainspring looks perfectly fine, so I'll reuse it. I had to burnish the second wheel's pivot a little bit, but now the replacement jewel fits perfectly. So I'll go ahead and install it into the plate and do a test fit. It fits nicely, so I'll be back once everything's cleaned and ready to go. And here's the watch, cleaned and running. There was a huge amount of end shake in the crown wheel. The winding pinion was actually slipping at certain points, so I had to shave the screw down a little bit to reduce that. Let's put this on the time grapher now and see how it's running. Dial up and down are pretty good. Crown down is about a minute faster. 6 high is 30 seconds faster. And 3 high is more than a minute slower. So after poising, I went to adjust the meantime screws and one snapped. This isn't the worst thing that can happen on a watch, but it's definitely one of the more frustrating and time-consuming fixes that you have to make. These screws are tiny, less than 0.5 millimeter thick at the threads, so I had to make a custom drill bit and hand drill the remainder of the screw out. The entire process took about 2 hours from start to finish. Thankfully, I was able to remove the remainder of that broken screw. But that's always a possibility when poising a watch, and probably why you shouldn't try to do so without having the ability to fix an issue like this. With all that said and done, let's put it back on the time grapher and see the results. I was originally aiming for a delta under 20 seconds a day, so I am very happy with a delta under 10. And here's the watch, cased and completed. Eventually I want to get an actual Hunter pocket watch case for this, but for now it'll be fine in this one. Thank you all for watching. It's always a pleasure for me to be able to repair and show watches like this, so I hope you all enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time.